Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to file a BOI report correctly. First, you have to go to this official website, and once you are in, you'll just have to click on this option right here, file a report using the BOI e-filing system. As we redirect you to this page, you just have to select this option. Then when you scroll down, you will find these three options. Choose the one in the middle and click on prepare and submit BOIR. It will show you this message. Just click on agree. And now you'll have to fill in some information, which will be divided by sections. The first section is the filling information. And because this is my first time to get this file, I'll click on initial report just right here, then choose the date, and after that you'll have to click on next. It will redirect you to part 1, and now you'll have to enter the reporting company information and make sure that all your data is correct. You will have to scroll down, add the tax identification type and the tax identification number, and down below right here you'll have to add the country and the current US address. Then click on next. And after you click on next, now it will jump you to part 2, the company applicant information. This is the person that actually filed my company's information with the Secretary of State. The person that filed for my company is my tax accountant, so I will be entering their information here. I'll enter the first name, last name, date of birth, current address, and down below when you scroll more, you'll find here the section for the form of identification and issuing jurisdiction, and you'll have to upload document image just right here. So you'll have to click on choose from folder, and you should have it on your personal computer. Then choose the file and it will be uploaded just like so. Then click on next. After that, you will get into part 3, and here you should add the beneficial owner information. And here, because I am the owner of the company and this is my own company, I'll have to fill in my own information. And if you have someone else in the ownership of this company, you'll have to click on add beneficial owner. But in this case, I am the only owner, so I'll have to fill in this information by myself. And as you see right here, it says that this is beneficial owner number 1. So you can actually add more than 1 or 2 beneficial owners. After you fill in all these information, it will jump you directly to the last step where you can add your email, confirm it, then enter your first and last name, and you'll have to check this box down below right here and confirm that you are a human. And after that, your submission will be in the processing stage. It will take a couple of minutes, maybe up to 2 minutes. And finally, here you have the confirmation. You can also click on download transcript in order to download it just in case you need it. So it's a very essential step to download this confirmation document right here. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.